Schisandra chinensis, also known as five-flavor berry, is a plant used in traditional Chinese medicine for its tonic and adaptogenic properties. Tonic is a term used to describe a substance or remedy that helps improve the overall health of the body by increasing strength, energy and endurance. In traditional Chinese medicine, tonic plants are used to improve overall health and prevent disease. Adaptogen is a term used to describe a substance that helps the body adapt to stressful conditions in the environment, improving resistance to stress and the ability to cope with difficulties. In other words, an adaptogen helps the body regulate stress responses, improving the ability to cope with difficult situations. Some studies have suggested that Schisandra may have beneficial effects on athletic performance, particularly endurance and muscle strength. A 2016 study showed that Schisandra extract increased muscle endurance in mice that performed running exercises. Another 2018 study found that Schisandra extract increased muscle strength and endurance in mice that performed weightlifting exercises. Some research also suggests that Schisandra may increase levels of hormones such as testosterone and growth hormone, GH, in the blood, which could help increase strength and muscle mass. Schisandra may also help protect muscles from exercise-induced damage and accelerate muscle repair, as well as increase energy levels, making it a viable choice for athletes and sportspeople looking to improve their performance. Schisandra chinensis has been proposed to have protective effects on muscles due to the presence of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds. Antioxidants, such as lignans and polyphenols, can protect muscle cells from damage caused by free radicals, which occur during intense exercise and can lead to inflammation and muscle wasting. Additionally, some animal studies have shown that Schisandra extract can increase the production of endogenous antioxidant enzymes, such as superoxide dismutase, SOD, which may help protect muscles from exercise-induced damage. Schisandra has also been proposed to have beneficial effects on muscle repair, particularly by increasing muscle protein synthesis. A 2018 study showed that Schisandra extract increased muscle protein synthesis in mice that performed weight-bearing exercises, thereby helping to repair and strengthen damaged muscles. In general, Schisandra appears to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can protect muscles from damage caused by exercise and accelerate muscle repair. However, it is important to note that most of the studies on using Schisandra to protect muscles and accelerate muscle repair have been done in animals, and more human research is needed to confirm these effects. Thanks for watching.